Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms to help you decide which of the best CRM will be okay for you to use. So to get started with a quick overview, SugarCRM is a powerful enterprise CRM designed for business that required advanced automation, AI-driven insight, customs, workflow. It also deals ideas for medium to large organizations that want a flexible deployment option. I'm talking about Zoho CRM on the other side is a versatile and affordable cloud-based CRM platform that caters to small and mid business sizes. It offers a strong sales automation, a multi-channel communication, and a native integration with other Zoho app. So talking about what these two platforms are best at. So SugarCRM is best for mid-size to large size enterprise needing a customizable AI-powered CRM. Then on the other side, Zoho CRM is best for small to mid-sized businesses seeking an affordable and easy to use CRM. And here's a viral conclusion about these two platforms. So choose Sugar CRM if your business needs a deep customization, AI-powered insight, and a robust automation at scale. Just go for that. Go for Sugar CRM if that is what you're after. Then on the other side, choose Zoho CRM if you are a growing business that wants an affordable, easy to deploy CRM with solid core features and integration. Just go for Zoho CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of the CRM platform would be a best option and a safer option for you. Thanks.